My name is Joel Fivas.
Nikhil Kumar.
My name is Catherine DeHaze.
Hi, I am Lucy, and I just finished TESOL 3 years ago, and I'm glad I did it.
My name is Mercedes Gachato, and I completed the TESOL program.
I felt that by becoming a teacher of English, I would have the opportunity to change in a significant way other people's lives. Being one of those who's lucky enough to be born with a fluency in the English language, the idea of imparting that fluency to new students perhaps new to the United States, was a challenge. And this TESOL program at Westchester Community College gave me all the tools that I needed to do just that.
There was intellectual content that was fairly rigorous, so I got a good understanding of where the English Language Institute's approach fits into the overall scheme of different teaching styles.
Being in the TESOL program made me learn my style of teaching and made me understand myself as a professional and as a teacher as well.
I learned a lot about the language, linguistics, and phonetics, and I improved my pronunciation. But more than that, they gave me the confidence to be in the classroom.
It was really a sense of community and sense of family. So even if you complete the program, it doesn't mean that you're done. They still continue to help you. They still continue to support you, which is amazing and which is great.
I chose to come to WCC due to the reputation of the program, the convenience. Classes are held in the evenings, so if you have a full-time job, it's something that you can easily fit in. The joy that this has brought into my life it's hard to describe. It has changed my life.
Just join the program. You're not going to regret it.
Don't wait for too long to take this program here at Westchester Community College. Go online, fill out your application, and come for an interview. Start changing other lives and your life.